Hello everyone. So I own a Honda City 2018 petrol IBDEC, and I was getting a weird kind of symbol in my dashboard which indicates that my key fob battery is down. So when I looked for it, I understood, okay, the key fob battery has to be replaced. I inquired with Honda and the dealership asked around 400 to 500 rupees to replace the battery, which I found is pretty high in the price. So I'm making this video to make everyone understand that in kind of a situation, if you are facing this kind of an issue, which you can rectify yourself, it's a complete DIY and a very easy trick to do, and you can get that done within 100 to 150 rupees in Indian price, and you can order the battery from online like Amazon or Flipkart or somebody else and can get it replaced yourself. Now, how we are going to identify? I'm going to give a step-by-step introduction and step-by-step overview how to do it. Let me get in the car so I can show you the symbol that identifies or help to identify the battery is actually down. Now, if you look at the dashboard right now, there is a symbol which is blinking. I don't know how clear it is in the video. Let me focus a little bit better. So as you see, the battery symbol is blinking. That means the battery is down. The car age is around 3 years right now from the beginning. So 3 years is not a bad time for replacing the battery of a key fob. Usually the battery comes with this model of car is CR2032. There is a lot of different battery variable type of battery available in the market or in online shops. So you can order any of them, but I prefer to have a Duracell battery which comes under much better life. So if you use those cheaper battery like 50 or 60 rupees in Indian currencies, those battery life is usually 3 to 6 months or max 1 year. If you go for a Duracell battery, it may last up to 3 years. So I prefer to have the Duracell battery, which I procured myself. I will show you how to replace it. But in terms of identifying the issue, I hope this is pretty much clear. I will continue the next part of the video soon. Here is the key fob we are going to replace the battery with, and I have it inside a cover. Now I'll remove the cover. This is the original key fob looks like. So first of all, here is a clip. If you can focus properly, the clip will help you to remove the key out of it. And then once the key is out, there is a notch. Put the key in and try to turn it around like this, and that's it. Your key opens up. And here is a battery. So this is the battery I was talking about. I purchased a Duracell. And take your battery out of it. Remove the sticker. Here is the battery. Now removing the battery from this is pretty much easy. You can use your nails to take it out and then put the battery back in. And that's it, you are done. Basically you close it off. Process is complete. Thank you. So now we put the key back in and the process is completed. Thank you.